How to enable or disable lock screen sounds on Samsung Galaxy device. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to be learning how we can enable or disable the lock screen sounds on our Samsung Galaxy device. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Enabling or disabling the lock screen sounds on Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra is a fairly simple process. To do so, first of all, what you have to do is open up settings. Now, normally, if your device is in vibrate or a silent mode and not in the sound mode, then in that case, lock screen sounds or any of the other sounds will be automatically disabled. But you can also do this manually if you go ahead and then open up settings and go to the option that says sounds, right? So just look for sounds and vibration and tap on it. Here, look for an option that says system sound and tap on it. There you can say screen lock or unlock option. You can enable or disable this option to if you want to enable or disable lock screen sounds. Hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.